This is our swing beam type hydraulic shearing machine. It's mainly composed of system, body, blanks, and hydraulic parts. Simple structure with economical price. Deeply loved by market customers. It's mainly used for cutting thin steel in 6 mm thickness level. Good precision for most of production demands. If need to cut thin steel over 6 mm thickness, we have guillotine type for you. All in all, it can meet most of processing needs in cutting sheet metal area. Welcome to visit our Durmapress workshop, and your guidance are valuable. Welcome for us all the time. Thanks for your watching. See you.